oftentimes called the land at a crossroads. Tacurong City is indeed at the heartland of the Cotabato Empire. With barely 13,000 hectares, it's predominantly vast plains, with insignificant rolling hills at the southern part. No big nor small trees except those growing in the backyard, and in few hectares of gemelina dotting the hillside of the city. Rice paddies that are so widely available during planting season can be the reason why a massive influx of birds in Tacurong City would occur.
An area of 1 3/4 hectares planted to black pepper in 1978 by the Malana family.
In 1996, an unusual view of the first flax was spotted in the Malana's 1.3-hectare black pepper farm.
The first 4 birds were spotted. They were the black-crowned night heron.
Black-crowned night heron, nocturnal, Nycticurax nycticurax, length 22 inches, 560 centimeters, wingspan 44 inches, 1,120 centimeters, average weight 700 grams to 900 grams, wing 275 centimeters, bill 80 centimeters, tail length 102 centimeters, tarsus 68 centimeters.
A migrant bird visitors to Borneo and the Philippines.
These are nocturnal birds. They go out at sundown and hunt for food all night on swamps, lakes, more particular in Lake Buluan, Lake Cebu, Liguasan Mars, and small swamps nearby where fish is still abundant. They also go to the shores of Libac for food. They feed on fish, frogs, lizards, worms, and even rodents. They also eat newly hatched egret chick if unguarded. Breeding is at its peak on February to March. But they never stop laying eggs year-round. Young background night heron's color is brown with white spots. This color would gradually change after a year to black on the back, gray on its sides, and white breast.
Could have been a severe winter up north that year which drive them further down south.
The number was increasing. The kinds was increasing also, year after year.
For the love of wildlife and nature, I protected these birds, hoping that they will stay here for good.
The influx necessitated the preservation of the instant habitat. No cacahuate trees were cut down.
Set aside hundreds of cacahuate trees not to be pruned that year to create a semi-wild condition with the hope that their numbers will increase.
Cacahuate trees and black pepper vines. What do they mean to the influx of birds? The black pepper vines won't bear fruit if the cacahuate tree is not pruned. So, if you want production of black pepper, you have to totally prune its host, the cacahuate tree. As the years go on, a few more trees are not pruned each year for the birds.
From then on, every year, cacahuate trees are not pruned for the birds, thus giving up also the production of black pepper, the source of income of our family.
Not until 5 years ago.
In a span of 5 years, in year 2000, the bird occupied the whole area.
They rapidly increase their number because they never stop building nests and hatching eggs, or probably invite birds of their kind on the hunting ground.
Took research on my own. In layman's term, studied their behavior.
Young egrets by nature are easily frightened by the noise created by passers-by or visitors. When a newly fed young egret gets frightened by the passers-by, it automatically throws out to swallow the food. They are also super sensitive to the behavior of men watching them.
Breeding characteristics, incubation, feeding, and rearing of their youngs, including digestive systems.
Breeding starts late November up to the month of August. September to the third week of November at Baras Bird Sanctuary is lean months when they are breeding. They are still laying eggs, but not many. This would attribute to the abundance of food around the sanctuary. Half of the population at Baras Bird Sanctuary are cattle egret. They are resident to our place. The egrets that we see on rice fields, at the back of the carabao, and lots of them we see on the ranch. Cattle egret breeding starts on March to April. During breeding season, the hackle in its back parts of the body turns buff and its color changes into a golden yellow. Cattle egret do not have a plumage at the back of the head.